Hey, what's up everybody? We're going to continue to build upon the previous videos on the stab. In this video, we're going to go over quarter notes, eighth notes, eighth rests, and 16th notes. You can find a link to the sheet music and anything discussed in this video in the description below. If at any time you're confused, remember to rewatch our previous videos. Alright, let's go ahead and dive into rhythm 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move on to number 2 and reinforce the basics. We're going to count out loud and we're going to make sure that we don't play on the rests. We're also going to play a steady and even tempo. We don't want to rush or drag the beat. We want to be accurate. Let's count it off. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This time around, we're going to put it all together. We're going to be accurate. We're going to play a steady and even tempo. We're going to concentrate on our sound, and we're going to get our strokes to be clean and consistent as possible. We're also going to get our stabs to sound identical while keeping them evenly spaced apart. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, That's a wrap for this lesson. We hope that you were able to get a lot out of it. We suggest that you incorporate these rhythms into your daily practice routine. Our Made Easy method is structured and progressive, so as long as you practice this faithfully and consistently, you will continue to get better. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.